Let me ask you something. Wouldn't it be nice if you can make money online on autopilot? With just a few clicks, you can launch a few campaigns and make money immediately. Like this, or like this, or maybe like this. Imagine getting deposits into your bank account while you sleep. What would you do? Would you quit your job and travel the world? Sit on some beach all day drinking lemonade? Open a non-profit to help less fortunate individuals? Or simply save enough for a house of your dreams? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money without lifting your finger right from your living room. Let's get into the method. Part 1 is finding a profitable niche. Part 2 is picking the right offer or offers. Part 3 is promoting this offer in a very unique and special way. Part 4 is sitting back and watching the money roll in. Let's get into the method. All right, so today we're talking about Jvzoo, and this is the homepage, and sell more with us. Instantly connect your business with millions of paying customers and the top performing affiliates. And so if you go in here, if you go to similarweb.com and you enter jvzoo.com, you will see that this is not some fly-by-night operation. This is actually a real business that got a little bit more than 1 million visits last month. So there's a lot of people using it. They're getting a lot of traffic. There's a lot of money moving around. And so it definitely warrants your attention, okay? And so once you create your free account and you want to go out to promote, what you guys want to do is you want to go into affiliates and you want to click on Find Products. And you're going to be on this page where you have a lot of data. You have your product name, you have your affiliate approval, you have the launch date, you have how many copies were sold, conversion rate, earnings per click, average price, commissions, and refund percentages. And the first thing you guys want to do is you want to go out and you want to find software that you can kind of connect with, right? You don't want to promote software that you know nothing about, that is completely in a different niche, that's out of your area of expertise. You want to promote software that kind of makes sense. So we have, Easy Sketch Pro Business. We have Explaindio, which I guess helps people to explain something. We have a lot of these offers. And I was browsing this and I stumbled upon this Video Pal. The next thing you want to do is you want to open this offer and you want to see what it's all about. You want to open this affiliate page and you want to learn more. Once you open the affiliate page, you have to request permission. You have to just send them a quick message in order to promote it. So let's say you want to promote Video Pal. Okay, let's say you looked around. You kind of know what it is, right? You kind of know what it does. You're going to go in here. You're gonna get your approval. You want to look at the sales page before you send your request for approval. You kind of want to learn more. Here's the video. You're gonna kind of watch this video, understand what it does, what it doesn't do. It's $39 one-time payment, get instant access. And so let's say you decided you want to promote this video software. I like video software. I like anything having to do with video. So this instantly got my attention. Maybe you're in the same boat as I am. The next thing you want to do is you want to hit I'm not a robot. You want to hit this checkbox that you have read and followed any instructions. And then you want to send a message. So you want to say, hey there, I want to promote Video Pal on my social media and my blog. Okay, what is the key here? The key here is that you want to be legit. They do not want to get fake traffic. They don't want to see their product being spammed all over the place. They don't want to see their products being promoted where it's gonna be against the terms and conditions of the specific platform. So if you're doing it on Facebook, you're doing it in some shady way. They do not want you to do that. And so you want to tell them that you're going to be promoting using your own traffic or traffic that you have control over with. That's really the key here. So if you have a YouTube channel or you're going to start a YouTube channel, you have a blog or you're going to start a blog, these are one of the best ways of doing it. Or maybe you're going to be buying traffic, but it's going to be from a reputable seller. That's another good way of promoting it. So you want to state all that, right? So we're going to hit that and we're going to hit request for approval. We also have the sales price, commission. You can also look at different integrations, bonuses, a vendor profile. You have their roles, their top 1% sale, a seller, number of sales 277,000. You can contact them by Skype. And another thing actually is that once you send this request for approval, and if they haven't really gotten back to you in like 48 to 72 hours, what you guys want to do is you want to hit them on Skype. You want to find them on Skype, you want to add them, and you want to say, hey there, my name is so-and-so, and I sent, a request for approval 3 days ago, and I haven't heard anything back. I really want to promote your product. Let me know what I should do, right? And as you can see, they're last active fairly recently. So that's another good sign right here. So once you are approved, the next step is you want to go out and find traffic. There's lots and lots of ways of finding traffic. But one of my favorite ways of getting traffic is something called solo ads. So if you Google for solo ads, you can kind of learn more about it, right? So we're going to say, what is solo ads? You can say, what is solo ads? And you're going to have an idea. So you're going to open this page right here. You can kind of learn more about it, right? They even have like a featured snippet here. Solo ads are a popular way for internet marketers to get their message out to large numbers of targeted prospects for a relatively low cost. The basic idea is to find someone who owns a large list of subscribers, which is closely related to your niche. That's exactly what it is. You don't have to, read any blog articles. You don't have to read any posts. But if you're going to be purchasing this kind of traffic, it is a very, very good idea to learn as much as you can about this specific thing. Now, one of my favorite places to do solo ads, to buy solo ads, is called Udemy. This is Udimy, and you can simply go to udemy.com, you can create your free account, and you can start browsing different sellers of these ads. And essentially, these are people with very, very targeted email lists, okay? And so they actually specify what kind of traffic they have. So they say new subs added daily, list for MMO, this is make money online, business opportunities, IM and CPA, right? Affiliate marketing, internet marketing, and CPA, cost per action. And so you can take a look. But another really good way to do it is by going to find sellers here. And you have this filter area here. So you can specify the maximum you're willing to pay per click. So let's say we're going to specify 40 cents maximum per click. You can say, let's say our niche is marketing, right? So remember, guys, we are promoting this VideoPal product, and we are targeting people who may be interested in marketing, because these are not going to be regular consumers. These are going to be entrepreneurs who are interested in purchasing software in order to sell products, to do affiliate marketing, to do CPA marketing, stuff like that. And that is why we are going to be going after the niche marketing. There's also the finance, health, mobile, social, and crypto. These are all good niches, but in our case, marketing is going to be the best niche here. We have got sales. We can leave all of that blank, and all we have to do is click here. We have start with, you can leave all of this blank. And now once you do that, you have found, 1,058 sellers. If you have all niches here, it's going to refresh it. Now it's 1,093 sellers, right? But a lot of these sellers, most of them also have marketing email lists, because if you do something like crypto, you're only going to have 123 sellers. That means that out of all the sellers, the majority have a marketing niche. But if you do, let's say, health, you're going to get only 207 sellers. That tells you that the majority of sellers, their lists include people interested in making money online, marketing, MMO, stuff like that. So when you're looking at this list, at the top, you have promoted sellers. You have people that are promoting themselves, right? Now, you can go for these people as well. But if you scroll down, you're going to have organic results. So you have 40 cents. You have various stats. So let's say you're browsing and you like this guy right here, Big Bang, 100% T1. T1 stands for Tier 1 countries. These are US, UK, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and sometimes Ireland as well. So we're going to click on this. And let's say we are interested in this. And here you have various stats. That means 158 buyers liked it, 4 did not. 158 positive, 4 negative, which is a pretty good rating. 34% reported that they have sales, 11% repeat buyers, and 1 hour turnaround, which he's in Bangladesh, Dhaka. Let's say we want 100 clicks multiplied by 40 cents, which is $40 here. And if we go with this, we have to pay a $3 service fee. Now, I also have some balance. I have like $40 balance. So this thing is going to cost me $3.10. For you, it's going to cost $43 if you do not have any balance here. You can also do something called the prime filter, right? Each click is going to go through another round of advanced clearance with a filter that is available for Prime members only. Expected quality increase 34%. You can do that. You can also do top tier, and that's going to cost a little bit extra. It's going to be an extra 5 cents per click. But if you scroll down, you can see that a lot of this, it's 100% top tier countries. So you don't even need this filter, right? You don't need to specify that. Only mobile, you can receive only visitors who are on mobile. That's going to be an extra 9 cents per click. No mobile, so this is only desktop. It's going to cost 15 cents per click. So if you think about it, you're paying 40 cents per click, and this filter is going to, increase your cost per click to 55 cents per click, which is quite a bit. So we want to disable that. Prime is going to be let's see, if we disable this, we're back to 40. Prime is another 3 cents per click. So you can kind of have Prime if you want. Now, a little bit below this, you can specify only link or add text. So you can actually specify your ad, or you can just specify a link that you want to send traffic to. Now, typically, a lot of people, they would be sending traffic directly to your offer, but we're not going to be doing it. We're going to be using an advanced method. So we can do only link, we can do add text. And what we're going to do is we are not going to be sending them directly to the offer, because we're going to use a tool that will allow us to build our own traffic list and then market to them later on. This tool is called Tally.so. And so in the next step, we're going to go ahead and we're going to create a form that we're going to be sending our traffic to. And then from that form, we are going to redirect them to the offer. And so here I am in Tally.io. You can just simply go to Tally.io. I'm in my dashboard, and you're going to see the screen once you create your free account. And what you want to do is when you're here, you want to create a form. Our form title is going to be get this amazing product. Right, this is going to be the form we're going to be sending the users to. And now you can start building your form. So you're going to hit, you can hit this plus here, or you can hit a /. And here you have your questions, answers. And typically what you guys want to do is you want to have maybe one question. Something like, are you looking to start a business? And that's all you really need. Here's the answer. They're going to hit submit. Now, you want to hit publish right here. You want to save it. Once you hit publish, you can go into settings. And what you guys can do is you can do redirect on completion. So I'm going to enter this, and this is going to be the affiliate link you're going to get from Jvzoo. So let's say your affiliate link is google.com. Obviously, it's going to be different. Oh, let's say it's jvzoo.com. It's never going to be jvzoo.com. It's going to be a special link. We're going to save changes. And we're going to go back to we're going to edit this form. You can do that. And then we're going to hit preview. Okay, so they're going to fill it out. Hey, yes, I am. Yes, I am looking to start a business. We're going to hit submit. This is what they're going to see. Thanks for completing this form. This is what we see. Now, once we share this form, if they complete it, they're going to be automatically redirected to somewhere else. So another thing that we can do is we can go to edit, and we can collect their email addresses, right? What is your best email address? We can do something like this. And here we can have an email field. This is going to be their email field. And this is going to be validated against their email. So we're going to say publish. Next, we're going to hit share. We're going to copy this. And then once we load this form, we enter their email. So if we enter something like this, it's not going to work. So we say yes, and we hit submit. Please enter a valid email. So let's say I do James. We are going to be redirected to Jvzoo, which is exactly what we want. And so all you have to do is you have to copy this, go back to your solo ads. Here, once you're buying the ad and you want to paste the name of this form here, you can also create an ad text. You can say, are you looking to have more sales in your campaigns, or whatever that product is, whatever that video product is. Then you need Video Pal. And this is going to be our form. And we're going to be collecting emails, and we're also going to be redirecting. So if they do not buy that specific product, we're going to be marketing to them again, because all you have to do is you can go back to Tally, you can go back to responses, and you see we have this response here, and you can download it as a CSV. You can send it to your automation software, your email marketing software. You can send it to Gmail. You can upload it to Gmail. You can upload it anywhere. But the bottom line is now we have these emails that we can go ahead and market to them over and over again. And this is my preferred method whenever I'm doing solo ads, because I don't want to just send a user somewhere. I want to capture their email before sending them to a place so that I can remarket to them. I can market to them other things on and on again until they unsubscribe and they're no longer interested in different products or services that I may be promoting at a specific point in time. Now remember, with solo ads, it's not only about make money online. You can also promote different finance offers, health offers, mobile offers, social and or crypto as well. So it does not have to be make money online or BizUp. It could be absolutely any kind of niche, any kind of offer, as long as it's one of these here. Of course, marketing is the biggest one, and you can check finance, 270 sellers, health, 207 sellers, mobile, 206, social, 231, and crypto, 123. But the biggest one obviously is marketing. And so obviously marketing is going to be a good place to start as any, simply because it's the biggest category and there's going to be more competition, and your clicks are going to be cheaper as compared to some of the other ones, because the clicks are going to be more expensive. See, if I set the limit to 80 cents and I pick crypto, I'm going to see, 54 cents, 49 cents, 55. I'm going to see 74 here. I'm going to see a lot higher, average click. I'm going to see a lot higher average cost per click for these other verticals, as opposed to a vertical where there's a lot of sellers, a lot of competitions, and all of that keeps the price down. All right, guys, so that is the method I wanted to share with you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in a future video.